Understanding Feeling Waterlogged, a dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase you might come across in English conversations: feeling waterlogged. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in your own conversations. Let's dive in. The term waterlogged originally describes a situation where wood or another material has absorbed so much water that it becomes extremely heavy and hard to move. Imagine a piece of wood that's been in the water for too long. It's soaked, heavy, and not at its best performance. When people say they're feeling waterlogged, they're borrowing this literal meaning to express a feeling of being overwhelmed, exhausted, or burdened, often by emotions or problems, to the point where they feel unable to function efficiently. It's like being so filled with worries or responsibilities that you can't move or think clearly. To help you better understand, let's look at a few examples. 1. After studying for exams all week, I'm feeling totally waterlogged. In this case, the person is overwhelmed by the intense study sessions. 2. She felt waterlogged after the whole day of back-to-back meetings. Here, it describes the exhaustion from continuous, demanding tasks. 3. He's been feeling waterlogged ever since he started his new job. This example shows someone being overwhelmed by the new challenges and responsibilities. Using feeling waterlogged in your conversations can add depth to your expression, allowing you to convey a sense of being overwhelmed in a vivid and relatable way. It's important to note that feeling waterlogged is quite informal and best used in casual conversations. It's perfect for situations where you want to express a deep level of physical or emotional exhaustion. However, it might not be appropriate for very formal settings or official documents. Understanding the context and your audience is key to using idioms effectively. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, feeling waterlogged. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this expression and what it means. Remember, learning idioms can add color to your language and help you sound more like a native speaker. So, don't be afraid to incorporate them into your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.